Automation Direct is proud to carry Megapro multi-bit screwdrivers. We've got 7 variations, from standard, hex, and precision models, to specialty variations designed for automotive and electronic applications, along with ratcheting and ShaftLok models. The standard Megapro screwdrivers feature a retractable bit cartridge and 1/4-inch hex drive shaft. The bit cartridge is made to spin in your hand to easily see all 7 double-ended bits and find what you need quickly. The EasyGuide collar on the front spins independently from the handle to help maintain contact with the screw. The palm saver cap on the end of the bit cartridge is designed to help you get more torque out of the screwdriver without straining your palm. The handle itself is made of a super hard resin that is extremely durable and will stand up to whatever you throw at it. The ShaftLok model features the same handle as the standard Megapro drivers, but the shaft is designed to lock the bits in place so they won't fall out. You can also add additional shafts that lock into place for hard-to-reach spaces. The ratcheting model features a ZAD8 zinc alloy solid core ratchet that delivers over 225 inch-pounds of torque strength. Precision 28-tooth ratchet design with rubberized cushion grip handle makes driving fasteners faster and easier. The precision model is built entirely differently. It still has a Megapro's trademark retractable cartridge, but has 12 small double-ended bits instead of the standard 7. It has a rubberized handle and a smooth rotating cap. This driver is ideal for electronics and small screws. Be sure to check out our entire selection from Megapro today and order one of your own at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to learn more about our screwdriver selections. Click here for more videos.